Hey there, here's how to change the language on your LG TV with WebOS 25. We start by pressing and holding the settings button. This will bring us to the main settings window, and now we'll use the directional pad. If the TV is in a different language, just follow the count. So we go down 1, 2 to general, then across 1, then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to system. Across 1, we're on language, we go across again, then we go across again on menu language. Here we can select another language. I will select French in this example. And keep watching as I'll show you the second part we need to change. I'll click OK here. It asks us to confirm, we say yes. As you can see, all of the language has changed to French. One more thing we can change, let's come out of this menu. Let's go to the search button. On the keyboard, go across to the left, up to the top, click here, and you can see it's now in French. I hope this has been useful. Please give the video a thumbs up if it's helped. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.